Professional email marketing advice that's proven to work. With the popularity of the internet, it is no wonder why email marketing has become one of the most popular ways for a company to market their product. Perhaps you have heard of this technique, but you do not know to use it. That's okay, you are in luck. The following video will tell you what you need to know about email marketing. An excellent tip for email marketing is to follow up with some type of update on your products or services that you are providing. For example, you could add a Buy Now feature onto your email. The ending of your email could inform your readers to keep in mind the upsell as well. When following up to your customers via email, you could try following up with some kind of reminder. For example, you could add a Visit Today button onto your ad. In addition, the closing of the postscript could inform your customers to make sure they do not disregard the CTO. Develop a consistent format and schedule for your marketing emails. By doing this, your customers will learn when and what to expect. Find a professional template that suits your business and use it every time. Alert your customers to the most relevant information at the beginning of the email. Be sure of all the colors you use in your email are neutral. If colors are too bland, the customer may not want to read the video. On the other hand, if the colors are too bright, it could frustrate the reader. Try to stick with neutral colors, like black, gray, and white. In conclusion, email marketing has become a favorable way to market a product, mainly due to the internet's popularity. Now you know the most important aspects of email marketing. By using these tips properly, you will not only become successful at email marketing, but you will find an increase in business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.